How's it going, guys? All right, so let's get the elephant out of the room, please, because he's really big. Jeez. All right, I'll give you a quick little game. Do you want the good news first or the bad news? How about bad news first? The bad news is I did not reach my deadline. The deadline was missed. It was missed. It was supposed to be on Halloween Day. And let's just, if we look at our watch here, it's not Halloween Day. It's past that. Jeez. Basically, it's going on to be announced, guys. It's to be announced because, guys, I gotta let it cook a little bit. And there's a good reason why. There's a good reason why. I just got done watching my own video, and I was behind, and now I'm ahead. Just seeing the progress and I'm about to show you is really cool, honestly. The good news is I'm still working on it. I mean, wait, what was my good news? Oh, it's going to be on Steam, guys. I'm still applying for it because, I am taking my sweet time. But guys, when I get the Steam release up and going, I'm going to do a Steam demo instead of a Discord demo. It's still going to be free, obviously. I'm not going to charge for a demo. Why would I? I mean, come on. So you might be saying, Travel, what is new in this thing? Stop all the yapping. Okay, what's new? Last video, well, I might as well just show you guys why just talk about it. So instead of talking about it, let's just show you. I got pretty much the same thing. The dialogue system still works, but now it like actually goes to the tutorial stuff like that. So as soon as you talk to this guy, this is the same guy, but this guy would disappear and then he'll be on the couch. This is the TV. That's a block. And then you'll talk to him. Basically, it's going to teach you the mechanics of the throwing mechanics, movement, interactable, stuff like that. So just some basic mini tutorial. The house is the same layout. Nothing's really changed. Except for I messed up some textures and stuff like that. Well, we'll talk about that later. So, what's new is basically the tutorial is done. The only thing that is not done is the ending, like what happens when you get into the attic, which I'm still cooking up. I got something spicy, I think. And that's about it. Everything logic-wise works. We just gotta make it pretty. And guess what, guys? You might be saying, Travel, this looks the same. Yeah, it's all this tutorial stuff, but I need something looking cool. I need something looking amazing. Guys, listen, let me do a little editing magic here. I'm gonna snap my fingers and I'm gonna show you the version 2. Well, not version 2. The glow up. 1, 2. Okay. Those are terrible. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Those are terrible snaps. Here we go. Boom! Oh my gosh. Now, guys, I am not done with this, but this is the new layout. I bought some assets because I can't do artistry, and oh man, I'm just doing out some basic layout stuff. Yes, it looks bad in a couple areas, but I'm literally just doing this just so I can do the demo, and then we'll clean it up in post, like all this stuff. This giant hole, like this stuff you don't, guys. When you're a developer, you see a bunch of problems. But when somebody's normally playing this, they're not gonna look at the wall seams and say, "Well, you didn't move these correctly," and all this. But to me, it really makes me upset how some of these things are messed up. But I basically got the whole layout stuff, whole layout done. We got the living room here, obviously. We got a kitchen here, a hallway that's gonna lead to all the bedrooms. The only thing I gotta, figure out a solution for is the vents and stuff like that. So I gotta start, doing some manual modeling and tearing apart. But guys, you gotta admit, this is a glow up. This looks good. That's gonna be the garage eventually when I get that done. I wanted to finish it today, but I was breaking my brain on a couple lighting stuff, guys. As you can know, that other map that we were just on, the lighting is terrible. Well, there is no lighting, so you know how that goes. Honestly, guys, but hopefully, guys, this instills in you guys that I'm still here. I'm still locked in. So guys, I got a Patreon. If you can subscribe for free, or you can do paid tiers. Guys, whatever you want to do. I try to do daily updates, like whenever I work on it, I'm gonna update it. And I did take a little mini break, I'm not gonna lie, guys, but listen, you can't rush perfection. I mean, no, okay, sorry. So basically, the long and short of it is still working on the game. I got the assets to make it look good now. Now all I gotta do is tie it all together. So next devlog is, hopefully my goals are to the patient has to have like a character model now, not just being a block with a picture on it. Linking all the systems together with this new assets I got, and on Steam, and preparing for playtesting, and me being super cool. And we can check that last thing already. Anyway, so I see you guys later. Bye bye.